If you've ever tried making money as an Amazon affiliate, you know how frustrating it can be. You put in hours writing reviews, creating content, and posting links, but the sales just don't seem to come. You see other affiliates raking in commissions, and it feels like they have some secret advantage. Well, the truth is, they might. There's a secret Amazon loophole that some affiliates are quietly using to earn, even when a buyer doesn't purchase directly through their link. And today, I'm going to show you how you can get access to it. Before we get there, let's break down why most affiliates struggle. First, low conversion rates. You can get thousands of clicks, but if your content doesn't convert, those clicks are wasted. Many affiliates also lose credit for sales because Amazon's tracking can be tricky. A customer might click your link, add a product to their cart, but then purchase later in a way that doesn't credit you. Second, competition. Thousands of people are promoting the same products, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. If your content isn't unique, it won't stand out. Even high-quality reviews can get overlooked. Third, outdated content. Products go out of stock, prices change, and new competitors enter the market. What worked a few months ago may not work now. Fourth, traffic. You don't control. Social platforms can change their algorithms, search rankings fluctuate, and if you're relying on someone else's platform for clicks, your traffic can disappear overnight. These challenges are exactly why the secret Amazon loophole is so valuable. It allows affiliates to earn consistently even when the system seems stacked against them. Top affiliates understand how to leverage Amazon's system in ways most people never consider. Now, I won't reveal the full loophole here in the video, but I'll give you actionable strategies that will help immediately. Tip 1. Make every link count. Each link should have a clear call to action and a reason for people to click it. A random link scattered in your content doesn't convert. Tip 2. Keep your content updated. Check prices, stock, and product details regularly. Fresh content performs better and builds trust with your audience. Tip 3. Build an email list. Owning your traffic is one of the most powerful things you can do. Even if someone doesn't buy immediately, you can follow up with emails to encourage future purchases. Tip 4. Analyze your competition. Don't copy them, but notice what they're doing differently. Small tweaks in presentation, formatting, or even the way they explain a product can make a huge difference. Tip 5. Focus on value. People click links when they trust that your content is genuinely helpful. Tutorials, comparisons, and honest reviews answer real questions and build credibility. Tip 6. Create evergreen content. This content generates traffic for months or years. Combine it with email follow-ups, and you're building a system for consistent commissions. Tip 7. Track everything. Know which links convert and which content performs best. Top affiliates adjust constantly. Data-driven decisions separate successful affiliates from those who struggle. And now, the part you've been waiting for. The secret Amazon loophole. This method lets you earn commissions even if the buyer doesn't purchase directly through your link. Most affiliates leave this money on the table without even knowing it exists. To access the loophole, visit this link, https://bonusgrady.com G132861605555. There, you'll see step-by-step instructions on how it works and how to implement it safely. Plus, when you enter your email, you'll receive the Affiliate Success Report for free. This report teaches proven affiliate marketing strategies that work across any platform, not just Amazon. You'll learn how to drive traffic, create content that converts, and build a sustainable affiliate business. The report is a foundation. Combine it with the secret Amazon loophole, and you're no longer hoping for clicks, you're creating a system that works reliably. Remember, successful affiliates aren't lucky, they're strategic. Implement the right approach, leverage your content, and take advantage of the secret Amazon loophole. You can start seeing commissions that truly add up. Don't wait. Click the link in the description https://bonusgrady.com G132861605555. Grab your free affiliate success report and unlock the secret Amazon loophole today. Stop leaving money on the table and start building the affiliate business you've been dreaming of.